Welcome back to eCreativeAid. Today I'm going to show you a recipe that keeps you full for the whole day. We need 400 grams of whole wheat flour. Place the flour in the mixing bowl. We also need salt. Add a teaspoon of salt to the flour. Then put 300 milliliters of water. Mix the mixture until the dough becomes soft and homogeneous. When this is done, the dough is ready, just like cake batter. Then pour the batter into the baking tray. Then put it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius until cooked for 20 minutes. This is how it'll look like when it's done. And in a pot, put 3 tablespoons of ghee and melt it. Cut the cake that we just baked and place it in a plastic bag. Then put all of the melted ghee. Close the bag completely. Then we start kneading it until it becomes like so. Melt a little bit of ghee. Remove the dough from the plastic bag and place it in the serving bowl. Flatten the dough. Then make a hole in the middle using a small bowl. Pour the melted ghee and then add honey, and decorate it with dates. And this is it. Thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.